In today's world, keeping your devices charged during power outages or outdoor adventures is essential. That's where portable power stations come in. Whether you need to power your essentials at home or stay off the grid during your camping trip, these best portable power stations for home backup will keep you going. Let's dive into the top models for 2026, each designed to deliver reliable power when you need it the most. The ECOFLOW DELTA 2 Max is an excellent option for those looking for a high-capacity power station to back up their home. With 2,000 watts output and a 2,048 watt-hour capacity, this portable powerhouse can power most of your household devices, including refrigerators, laptops, and even power tools. It charges incredibly fast too, 80% in just 1 hour. The Delta 2 Max comes with a variety of ports including AC, USB-A, USB-C, and car outlets, making it super versatile. Plus, it's lightweight considering its size, weighing around 24.5 pounds. This power station is ideal for long-term home backup or camping trips. Check out the link below for more details and grab yours today. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus is a true workhorse when it comes to portable power stations. With an impressive 2,160 watt-hours capacity and 2,200 watts output, surge 4,400 watts, it can power everything from appliances to electronics for hours. It features 3 AC outlets, multiple USB ports, and a DC carport, making it versatile for a wide range of devices. Plus, it charges up quickly, from 0% to 80% in just 2 hours via an AC wall outlet. The Explorer 2000 Plus also has a compact design that's easy to carry with its built-in handle, making it a great option for both home use and outdoor adventures. For more information and pricing, click the link below. The BLUETTI AC180 is a compact yet powerful option for home backup. With 1,800 watts output and 1,024 watt-hours capacity, it's perfect for powering smaller devices like laptops, lights, and fans. It offers multiple ports, including AC outlets, USB-C, DC, and car ports, providing flexibility for charging and powering a wide variety of devices. The AC180 also features a solar panel input, allowing you to charge it using solar energy, which makes it a perfect option for eco-conscious users. It's easy to transport, with a convenient design and a built-in handle. If you're looking for a mid-range portable power station, this is a solid pick. For more details, check the link below. The Anker SOLIX F2000 is another standout in the portable power station category. With a 2,000 watt output and 2,160 watt-hour capacity, it can easily power multiple devices at once, including high-powered appliances. The SOLIX F2000 features 3 AC outlets, multiple USB ports, and car charging options for added flexibility. One of its unique selling points is the solar charging compatibility, which allows you to charge it using solar panels, sold separately. It also has smart technology that helps manage power efficiently and prevent overloading. It's perfect for both emergency home backup and outdoor activities. Check out the link below for more details on this reliable power solution. The ECOFLOW RIVER 2 Pro is the ideal portable power station for those who need power on the go. With 800 watts output and 768 watt-hours capacity, it's compact but powerful enough to run small appliances like refrigerators, TVs, and laptops. The River 2 Pro features USB-A, USB-C, and AC outlets, making it great for charging electronics. One of the standout features is the fast charging capability, with the station reaching 80% in just 1 hour. At only 17.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough for outdoor activities and travel. Whether you're at home or outdoors, the River 2 Pro offers a reliable power solution without taking up too much space. For more information and to purchase, click the link below. There you have it, the best portable power stations for home backup in 2026. Whether you're looking for something compact and portable or a high-capacity powerhouse, there's a model here for everyone. These power stations are essential for anyone who needs a reliable power backup for home emergencies, outdoor adventures, or working remotely. Don't forget to check out the links below for the best prices and more detailed specifications. Stay powered up.